longer key being positioned on the outside of the driver housing. An additional ball bearing of identical dimension has been placed into the driver housing beside the driver shaft. Once the second ball bearing has been correctly fitted, two seam rings have been inserted into the driver housing to cover the ball bearing. An holding ring has been inserted into the seam ring, ensuring it has been correctly positioned inside the driver housing, trained to eliminate any slack on the driver shaft. A parallel key has been inserted to design slot on the driver shaft before the pinion has been installed to prevent it becoming loose. The pinion has been secured using another retaining ring which has been locked in place. Finally, a seal ring has been placed underneath the screw plug has been screwed into the driver housing to ensure its solid attachment. Finally, check your assembly 1 by holding the shaft upside down. Let's move on to assembly 2. Insert the driven gear into the designer slot, the driven housing and slot in the output shaft. Attach the parallel key into the slot on the shaft. Insert seam ring and specific ball bearing at both inner and outer section of the output shaft and secure it with retainer ring. In assembly 3, join both completed driving house and driven housing to create a complete spur gear. Secure the assembly by using lock washer and hexagon bolt on every screw hole. Put the seal ring at the bleeder hole and attach it with the bleeder screw. Do a testing on the completed assembly spur gear once done.